Hey guys, Jealousy Tech here, and today I've got with me the brand new Razer Mamba Hyperflux and Razer Firefly Hyperflux. This is Razer's entry into the wirelessly charging mouse game. They first debuted this bad boy at CES this year, and to be honest, I'm surprised they pulled it out of production so fast. I was about to order Corsair's wireless mouse, but picked this up instead instantly once I saw it hit the store. Unlike other wirelessly charging mouse, Razer opted out of the battery to provide the lightest and simplest design they could. So instead of wirelessly charging your mouse as you play, the Firefly Hyperflux powers it completely on its own, and enough for it to last 5 seconds without the mat. Lift it up longer than that and the Mamba will power down. However, if you need to have the mouse powered without the mat, you can use the mat's powered USB cable to operate the mouse. This is especially useful for traveling without having to bring the mat around as well. Because Razer opted out of the battery, they were able to provide the lightest mouse yet, weighing in at 96 grams. I know some gamers like heavy mice, but unfortunately there's no optional weights you can add to this, so it might not be the best option for them. As far as the sensor goes, you're looking at Razer's 16,000 dpi 5G optical sensor with their adaptive frequency technology that will scan frequency channels and check for interferences and switch frequencies seamlessly if needed. One of the things I'm most excited about with the Firefly is the dual textured mat, allowing you to switch between the hard and soft pad whenever you choose. Personally, I love the soft mat for gaming and the hard for everything else, so I'm glad that you can switch without any interruptions to the charging functionality. One negative of the Firefly though is that they don't have any pass-through USB connections. Not that big of a deal, but it would have been nice. Other features of the Mamba itself include their lovely right and left mouse scroll buttons, the DPI switching buttons, 2 buttons on the left side, as well as a new profile button that can store 5 different Razer Snaps profiles. This allows you to take the Mamba to any computer, even if it doesn't have Snaps installed, and you'll still receive the same experience as you do at home. Unfortunately, the Snaps 3.0 is not ready for this mouse yet, so I can't test that out. I should be receiving a beta copy sometime this week though. As far as cost, you're looking at $250 for this pair, and yes, they do come bundled together. A steep price for a mouse, but if you look at other wirelessly charging mice and their charging pads, it's not much more. Well guys, I hope you liked this video, and please comment or subscribe. I'm interested to see what others might think about this mouse. Thank you.